Hi, if you're here, I'm assuming something in your life is not working and you want to fix it. I'm here to tell you that fixing it is not worth your time. The fastest way to the life you want is a hard reset. And we're going to get into exactly how you do this the right way. There are 3 stages to this. 1. Burn it down. Identify and remove everything that's dragging you down. Number 2. Sculpt from stone. Build the new you with clear, deliberate steps. And number 3. Harden through fire. Keep yourself from slipping back into mediocrity. Miss one part and your reset will be another empty promise. Let's make sure that doesn't happen. First stage, burn it down. Step 1, acknowledge where you're falling. You can't fix what you won't face. The first step is brutal honesty. Are you wasting time on meaningless routines? Are you giving your energy to people who give nothing back? Are you lying to yourself about what progress looks like? If you shrug off these questions, you'll stay stuck. Recognize what's broken and own it. That's the only way you'll ever move on. Step 2, cut out the dead weight. Let's be direct. Certain people, habits, or environments are dead weight. If your circle is full of complainers, you'll end up one of them. If your routine is dominated by social media or endless snacking, you'll stay lethargic and stuck. Toxic relationships, minimize contact or walk away. Pointless habits, delete those apps, cancel those subscriptions, and reallocate the time. Unproductive environments. If you're surrounded by negativity, find a new spot, physically or mentally. Don't get nostalgic. Don't overthink it. Clean house. Step 3, choose discomfort. I'm not here to make you comfortable. If you're serious about resetting, you need to do what you've been avoiding. Lift the heavier weights. Have the awkward conversation. Wake up earlier. Yes, it's annoying. That's the point. Every time you dodge discomfort, you're dodging growth. Real talk. If you don't lean into some level of pain, you'll stay in the same loop forever. Scrap the old way of life, no apologies, and share in the comments which part of your old life you are looking forward to burn down. Stage 2, sculpt from stone. Step 1, define your non-negotiables. What does the next version of you stand for? Pick 3 to 5 core values, things like discipline, personal responsibility, health, honesty. Then codify them into your daily life. These aren't random words you stick on a wall. They're the new rules you live by, no exceptions. Step 2, create a structure that forces growth. You can daydream about being a better person all you want, but without structure, it's just talk. So set up a daily routine that aligns with your non-negotiables. In the morning, get up at a consistent time. Do something that energizes you. Exercise, journaling, a quick reading session. No phone scrolling first thing. Work blocks. Schedule time for real productive tasks. No mindless email checks, no endless YouTube marathons. In the night, wind down without binge watching garbage. Reflect on what you did well and what you'll fix tomorrow. Don't overcomplicate it. Keep it lean, but keep it focused. Step 3, track incremental wins. Perfection isn't the goal. Progress is. If you're working out, note the extra rep you can do. If you're focusing on finances, track each cent you save or invest. Small wins stack up. They also keep you from falling off when motivation dips, which it will. Write them down. Keep a simple spreadsheet, or just note them in your phone. The act of tracking keeps you accountable, so you don't revert to your old ways. And remember to like and subscribe so you stay with us and we stay on track together. Stage 3, harden through fire. Step 1, stop explaining yourself. The fastest way to destroy your new life? Seeking validation from people who haven't earned a say. Once you start improving, a lot of folks will question you, judge you, or try to reel you back in. Don't waste your breath justifying your goals. Protect your energy by sharing your plans selectively, if at all. You're not looking for applause or permission. You're doing this because it's necessary. Step 2. Maintain the no BS mindset. Here's the biggest challenge. After the initial surge of progress, life will tempt you to settle. You'll be inclined to say, "I've done enough," or "I deserve a break." That's the voice of complacency. Keep reminding yourself why you started in the first place. Maintain the same blunt honesty and no-nonsense attitude that got you moving. If you slip, fine, correct it. Don't dwell, don't whine. Adjust and keep going. Step 3. Level up continuously. A true reset isn't just a one-time event. It's a permanent shift in how you operate. Once you hit one goal, you move on to the next. Because if you're not growing, you're stagnating. Improve your relationships further. Expand your skill set. Refine your discipline. Think of it like upgrading software. You don't do it once and call it quits. You keep improving with each version. Same goes for you. Now, if you've made it this far, you're either serious about resetting or looking for a reason to call it quits. Decide. My time isn't here for folks who want to kind of try. It's for people who are fed up with excuses and ready for a total life overhaul. So here's the plan. 1. Burn it down. Face your flaws, remove dead weight, and choose discomfort. 2. Sculpt from stone. Identify your core values, set up a tight structure, and track your wins. And 3. Harden through fire. Stop explaining yourself, stay no nonsense, and keep leveling up. Do it right, and you won't just fix your life, you'll create a version of yourself that doesn't need endless motivation or validation. You'll be living on your own terms without the usual noise and distractions. If that resonates, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and drop a comment on the very first move you plan to make. Why? Because I'd rather hear from people doing real work than waste time on endless talk. And because I've gotten many questions about how to start life transformation, I created a guide that goes through in detail on how to set the right foundation for transformation. Something that will be essential before you start doing anything else. Click the link in the video description to get the guide for free. I'm looking forward to get more and more of the Feel Real Good community properly transforming their lives. That's my mission, to help as many of you to build the life of your dreams. Now go, actually take action, and don't let this be another wasted 8 minutes of your life. And check out this video to get more details on how to transform.